welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your rope access technician business. So as the owner of a business, I receive a lot of messages on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using a all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever a user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So now here, if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your rope access technician business to handle client inquiries automatically. This will help you reply faster, save time and stay connected with customers even while you are out on the field. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the WhatsApp chatbot that I've already created for my rope access technician business using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this chatbot by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp number. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop the text as, "Hey, I want to talk with agent." And here you can see the message that we have received that says, "Hello and welcome to Rope Master Professional Rope Access Services. I'm here to help you with service info, pricing, availability and more. How can I assist you today? Choose an option below to get started." And here we have received 3 quick reply buttons such as view services, get a quote and request a call. So let's click on this request a call and it says, "Got it. Our team will get in touch with you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to call us directly at this number or email us at this email address." And then we have received 2 more quick reply buttons such as view services and get a quote. And now whenever you're going to select any of the quick reply button, then automatically you are going to get the response for that particular quick reply button. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers. And then it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to access Pabbly Chatflow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and here let me tell you that I've already connected my WhatsApp number with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can find the video available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well for the same. And now here let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number button and then here you'll be able to see the option of WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. That means you must use this particular method to add a WhatsApp number account in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then here it comes manual token connect. So here if you wish to select this particular method, then it is going to ask for the Meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details, you need to set up a WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta. And once you are going to set up the account, you are going to get all these details and then you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the features in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our landing page and on our YouTube channel as well. So now here let me give the overview of each feature available over here. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contact. So here by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each team member over here. Then comes the templates. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messaging for your WhatsApp message. Then comes the flows. So by using this particular feature, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So by using this particular feature, you can see all the activities of your Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings, and here in the settings you can see some more fields as well. So now here, if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the specific video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help option. So by using this particular option, you can get the response for all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow at one place. Alright, so this was all about the features of Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot for our business, and for that we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Now here in this flow builder, you can see all the flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So I had to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business. I'm going to create a new flow by clicking on this add a flow button given over here. Now here in this flow window, firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your rope access technician business. And now after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see that you can set up the flow start as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can add the keywords or the regex as well. So here if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. For example, if we add a keyword like hey, then you need to type the keyword first and then you need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. So now whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say tell me about your services, while another might write tell me about the equipment. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect the common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization, and once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so now here after setting up the flow start, we are going to move forward, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp chat, then I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as hello and welcome to Rope Master Professional Rope Access Services. I'm here to help you with service info, pricing, availability and more. How can I assist you today? Choose an option below to get started. So here you can see I have used asterisk before some text over here. That is because here I wanted to make that text bold. So here you need to use this particular text format to make these text bold. Alright, so now after adding the message, I'm going to add some quick reply button over here where I'm going to enter the text as view services, get a quote or request a call. Alright, so now after adding these quick reply button, we have successfully completed this message box over here as well. So now here we are going to build the WhatsApp chatbot further for these quick reply button. So let's start with view services. So if my customer is going to select this particular quick reply button, then we are going to send another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as here's what we offer, these are the services, and then it says want more details, visit this website. Alright, so now after adding the text, I'm going to add two quick reply button over here where I'm going to enter the text as get a quote and request a call. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. And here you can see these quick reply button are similar to the buttons that I've added over here in the main message box. So now here we are going to move forward with the next quick reply button of our main message box, that is get a quote. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as please visit our website to request a quote. This is the website, and then it says or just call us at this number and we will assist you right away. Alright, so now after adding this text, I'm going to add two more quick reply button over here where I'm going to enter the text as view services and request a call. Alright, so now after adding this quick reply button, we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now here we are going to move forward with the last quick reply button button that is left over here with the name requester call. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as got it. Our team will get in touch with you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to call us directly at this number or email us at this email address. Alright, so with this we have successfully entered the message over here, and then I'm going to add some quick reply button over here where I'm going to enter the text as view services and get a code. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now here what we are going to do is that we are going to connect all these quick reply button with their respective message box. So here for the get a code, I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box, and similarly request a call button to this message box, and then view services to this message box, and then I'm going to connect view services again to this message box, and then I'm going to connect request a call to this message box, and get a code quick reply button to this message box. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the building of our WhatsApp chatbot. So here I've built a very simple and the short chatbot for my rope access technician business, but here you can add some more message boxes, and also you can add some action type notes over here like condition, ask address, ask location, ask questions, ask media, set custom field, add tag, API request note, or connect flow also. So here I wanted to keep it simple, that's why I've not added some type notes over here, and here I'm done with building my rope access technician business WhatsApp chatbot. Alright, so now after building this chatbot, we are going to save our flow first by clicking on the save button given over here, and it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully updated the flow that we just right now created. Alright, so now after creating the chatbot, we are going to test this chatbot once again, and for that let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account, and now I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. So let's suppose that I'm a customer again over here, and I'm going to drop the text as hey, I want to know about your services. And here you can see we have received the similar message over here that says hello and welcome to the Rope Master Professional Rope Access Services. I'm here to help you with the service info, pricing, availability and more. How can I assist you today? Choose an option below to get started. And here you can see we have received all the 3 quick reply button over here. And now when you're going to select any of the quick reply button, then automatically your chatbot is going to get triggered. Alright, so now here with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that we just right now created. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot. So here we have set up the flow start, that means trigger for our WhatsApp chatbot as the regex, and then we have added a hello or a welcome message for our customers with the quick reply button as view services, get a quote and request a call. And then further we have built the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just right now created. And now here if you wish to learn about such more amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And also if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you like the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can visit forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.